How to download and add a Honey extension on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. This is the home page. Now go to chrome.google.com, or you can just search for Chrome Web Store on Google. Now go here in the search bar and search for Honey like this. Click on it and you will find PayPal Honey. As you can see, automatic coupons and cashback. Now all what you have to do here is you can see how to use it from here, as you can see. And now if you want to download it, all what you have to do is click on add to Chrome and click on add extension like this, and then all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and it's gonna be downloaded. Now it's here, as you can see, easy and fast. You can now add your account from here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.